We spend nearly 1/3 of our entire lives doing this. If we stop, we don't just feel tired, we eventually die. And yet, here's the strange part. This video is not about how to sleep better. It's not about dreams, pillows, or circadian rhythms. It's about something much more unsettling. Despite decades of research, powerful brain scanners, and billions spent on neuroscience, science still cannot fully explain why we sleep. And that raises a disturbing question. Why does the most essential behavior in human life still remain a mystery? 1. The question that should be easy, but isn't. On the surface, sleep feels obvious. We're awake, we get tired, we rest, we repeat. But biology doesn't work on feels obvious. From an evolutionary perspective, sleep is dangerous. You're unconscious, vulnerable, not eating, not reproducing. Yet every complex animal does it. So the real mystery is not how we sleep. It's why evolution never removed it. Theory 1. The brain cleaning hypothesis. One of the strongest modern theories suggests that sleep acts like a cleaning cycle for the brain. During deep sleep, spaces between brain cells expand. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to flush out waste products, including proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases. In simple terms, sleep might be when your brain takes out the trash. This theory is supported by imaging studies and lab experiments. But here's the problem. If cleaning was the only reason, why can't the brain do this while we're awake? Why shut down consciousness entirely? Theory 2. The memory backup system. Another leading idea is that sleep exists to organize memory. While awake, your brain absorbs massive amounts of information. During sleep, especially REM sleep, the brain appears to replay experiences and strengthen important connections. Think of it like saving files from RAM to long-term storage. This explains why lack of sleep destroys learning, decision-making, and emotional control. But again, something doesn't add up. If sleep is just about memory, why do newborns sleep most of the day before they've learned anything? Theory 3. Energy conservation. This older theory suggests sleep evolved as a way to save energy. When it's dark, food is scarce, and movement is risky. Organisms shut down. It sounds logical until you look closer. The energy savings from sleep are actually minimal. The brain remains extremely active. Calories are still burned. So if sleep is about conserving energy, it's doing a surprisingly bad job. The uncomfortable truth. Each theory explains part of sleep. None explains all of it. Sleep cleans, organizes, regulates, stabilizes, protects. But no single theory answers the core question. Why must consciousness turn off entirely? Why does the brain demand this state and punish us severely if we resist it? Even today, neuroscience treats sleep not as a solved function, but as a necessary mystery. Sleep may not exist for one reason. It may exist because life itself breaks without it. We don't sleep because it's efficient. We sleep because consciousness, memory, emotion, and identity collapse without this strange, silent reset. And perhaps the most unsettling thought of all, we may never find a single answer. Because sleep might not be a feature of the brain, but a side effect of being conscious at all.